to report a case of my father who works with the county as a liaison officer. And my brother Osman Khalif was abducted yesterday as he was leaving him with his wife from Sarit Center. Unknown abducted men, and they were armed, took him from the parking outside Sarit Center. And until now, we have no any whereabouts about Mr. Osman Khalif. Immediately, the wife called us and informed us about the situation of what had happened. We quickly rushed to the scene of crime, and then we accompanied all of us together to the police station. I mean the nearest police station, which is Parkland Police Station. We reported the case, and by now it's 24 hours, and we have no any information about the whereabouts of Mr. Osman Khalif. And we've tried to cooperate with the respective officers within the station, but there's no any positive outcome that we've got so far. My plea to the government and to the people of Kenya is to help us get our brother and a Kenyan citizen also, so that at least if he's dead or alive, at least we get to know what's next.
It's quite unfortunate that in this time and age, we are still experiencing this kind of issues as a country. Yeah, killing abductions without any reason. We will expect that if someone is arrested, we'll find them in any police station. We will expect that if you arrest someone today, then the police will take responsibility that they have the person in custody. It's unfortunate that we've moved in almost all these police stations. Even some OCS have given us a chance to move and confirm ourselves in the cells. We can't see Osman. What do you mean? As a country. And yet to arrest someone claiming a DCI.